Look closely at the world around you. A tree reaches for the sky, its branches splitting into smaller branches, echoing the shape of the whole. Consider the humble fern, its fronds made of smaller fronds, a pattern of self-similarity scaling into infinity. This is the language of fractals, a geometric poetry written into existence. A jagged mountain range shares its outline with a single rock, and a river delta mirrors the veins in your body. The universe builds its grandest structures and delicate life forms using the same blueprint. Think about a bolt of lightning, its pattern distinctly fractal, branching like our lungs. This universal constant is a clue to understanding how the universe works. Nature doesn't need a complex manual to build a forest or galaxy, it needs a simple, repeatable process. A fractal is just that, a simple rule repeated at different scales. This process gives rise to the endless complexity around us. It tells us that intricate forms in the cosmos emerge from simple beginnings. The geometry of life is a dynamic, unfolding process, a story of creation told in mathematics. The discovery of fractals gave us a new lens to view our world. For centuries, we measured the world with Euclidean geometry, circles, squares, and lines. But nature is rarely neat. How long is the coastline of Britain? It depends on how closely you measure it. Fractal geometry solved this paradox, describing the rough, irregular shapes of nature. In medicine, doctors study fractal patterns of blood vessels to detect tumors. Engineers design fractal antennas for cell phones, efficient in a compact space. We are learning to speak nature's language, borrowing its designs to solve complex problems. Fractals extend into human creation and thought. Computer-generated imagery relies on fractal algorithms for realistic landscapes. Urban planners notice cities grow in fractal patterns, helping design sustainable cities. Even stock market fluctuations show fractal characteristics. Some scientists explore the idea that consciousness might have a fractal structure. One idea branches into another, forming a complex, self-referential network. The architecture of our brain, with its branching web of neurons, is inherently fractal. Could the patterns of our inner world mirror the external universe? It's a tantalizing question. Alongside fractals, nature expresses another principle: symmetry. Symmetry is the language of balance, harmony, and elegance. Look at a snowflake, unique yet sharing six-fold rotational symmetry. This is a consequence of how water molecules arrange as they freeze. Symmetry is order emerging from chaos, fundamental to life. Most animals exhibit bilateral symmetry, a mirror image of left and right. This body plan allows for streamlined movement, crucial for survival. Symmetry is a blueprint for survival, not just static form but laws of motion. Noether's theorem connects symmetry with conservation laws. Translational symmetry leads to momentum conservation, time symmetry to energy conservation. The universe's rules are built on this elegant foundation. Even broken symmetry is significant, allowing for galaxies, stars, and planets. Life may be a product of broken symmetry at the molecular level. The molecules of life, like amino acids, show a fundamental asymmetry. Nature's dance involves both balance and breaking to create something new. Humans are pattern seekers, connecting stars into constellations and seeing faces in clouds. These cosmic patterns, fractals and symmetry, are embedded in our art, architecture, and spiritual traditions. We channel these geometries into creations, replicating cosmic beauty on Earth. Consider mandalas in Hindu and Buddhist traditions, spiritual tools and maps of the cosmos. They combine radial symmetry with fractal-like details, drawing the eye to unity. Islamic art's geometric tilings evoke the infinite nature of the divine. Gothic cathedrals feature fractal-like self-similarity with rose windows as masterpieces of symmetry. These architects intuitively understood the power to inspire awe and connection to a higher order. Why are we drawn to these patterns? Our minds are structured similarly. Perceiving a fractal or symmetrical object resonates with our neural patterns. Art and spirituality bridge the cosmos and conscious mind. We are the universe's way of admiring its own handiwork. Fractals and symmetry reveal a universe profoundly interconnected. Symmetry represents order and balance, Fractals, dynamic complexity. Together they create the symphony of reality. This interconnectedness dissolves artificial boundaries. A spiral galaxy mirrors a seashell, a tree's branching echoes our nervous system. These are manifestations of the same principles at different scales. We are part of the cosmos, made of star stuff, governed by elegant rules. This perspective invites wonder and humility. Studying a snowflake teaches us about cosmic structures. Understanding a fern gives insight into our bodies and minds. The universe is a unified whole, a web of patterns and relationships. We are a node in that web, where the universe becomes aware of itself. Witnessing the geometry of life, we see the signature of the cosmos. Patterns without and within reflect each other. We are not just observers, we are dancers in the cosmic dance. We are stardust contemplating the stars.